Welcome you back to another episode of videos coming from Axel Designs. I hope you are enjoying your stay with us. I'm quite sure that you would enjoy your stay with us, and I think you have already benefited in one way or the other from our series of videos. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and thanks for those who have already subscribed. And if you haven't, please instantly just subscribe. Just press the subscribe button. Good. In this video, I will be teaching us about how to create a 3D explainer video within some minutes. Probably you want to create a 3D animation video for your business, for your maybe for your company, for your adverts, and so on and so forth. This video will teach you something of such. Stay calm and keep following. And the app we'll be using here is Chrome. Just have your browser, a very powerful browser on your phone, then that's what we'll use. But I'm using Chrome here. And inside your search engine, you type in renderforest.com, and that's it already on my screen. Then you search for it. And don't forget that the last video we did, which was on how to make a 3D animation logo, we used this site also, this renderforest.com. we used it. Probably you haven't watched the video, just go to my channel and you'll see it. So you click on get started and you pick video. You want to do a video, then you'll be brought to some list of videos. We have the 3D explainer video toolkit. We have the explainer video toolkit. We have whiteboard, and I think soon now we are coming to this whiteboard also. But where we are going is this one. So this is what we want to create in this video, and in our subsequent videos we'll be creating something new. Just click on it and you wait for it to load. Then you click on create now, and you wait for it to load also, and it will bring you a video like a preface like this. Do you want to add scene or load the presets or type your scripts? Okay, let's look at each features of this one. They said browse scenes and add to your project, so you can just browse when you choose that. But if you choose this, it will be load a preset. You just choose some ready-made stories, so and you would just edit and you have your own video. But the third one is what? Type your script. So just have to type your script and we will suggest the best match. So this is what I want to go for in this video, and you can, if you like, you can go for this, and if you like, you can go for this. But yeah, I want to type my own script so that I can get control of my video. Just click on it, and so this is what it will bring for you. And just read the instruction. It says please use period after each sentence or use new line. Video loves short sentences. Try to be short. If you want to show check marks in the video, use hyphen symbol in each new line. So in order to create a short sentence, you have to put your period, or you use full stop. And don't forget that period is also full stop. Now, so let's just type sentences, and I've already copied that. I've already typed that somewhere else, so I just want to paste. And after having typed it, then you can click on generate project. Just generate, and you see this is how your sentence will be. This will be the first slide, the first scene. This is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth, this is the, so like that. And if you don't like how it's fitted your own, you can try and adjust. Probably you use full stop or you use comma somewhere, so just try and adjust and it would do it accordingly. Then you can continue to edit if you want to edit it. Maybe you are not much satisfied with what it brought, and if you are satisfied, just click on generate project. So in order for it to help you generate your project, just wait for it to load. And this is what it brought. So you can, this is your test, add test. So you can change anything, you can change your test if you want to change it. If you decide not to use that test again, don't forget this is my first scene. And you can change your test position. Is it on the right or on the left? You can change that also. And likewise your matching scene, so you can change it also. So just click on it and wait for it to load the scenes. So we have this scene. So likewise this, but here, this is what it brought for me. That is suggested this for me, but I want to use this. I think I like this one, this one here. So that's what I want to pick, and it will change it for me. So then you can, so this is how it will be. And you can click on snapshots in order to view what you are doing. So something like this. So it will be something like this that it will bring for you. Then that's my first scene. This is my first scene, and this is the second. So this is my second. Where is it? So this one is my second. Just click on it also if you want to edit anything. So an online forum. Okay, is it this you want to pick, or you want to pick this or this, or which one? So I want to pick this. So I think I should pick this, and it would have already helped you change it. So like this. Then the next one will be, go to the third one, which is this. This is your third scene. Just click on it also in order to edit. Sorry. So this is the third. So these are the matching scenes for the third also. We render, let me look at our test, render services and training in the following. I think I should, okay, let me choose this for that one. Let me choose this for this third one. And the next one, the first scene, just click on it also. The first one will be graphic design, and these are the set of scenes that it brought. So you can type your text. I think I'll prefer that one, it's recommended. Then you go to the next one, just click on it, and the second one will be audio and video. So it brought this for it. Just click on the next one. This is an error. Book reviewing. I think, wait, why is it bringing this? Let me see the test. Okay. Okay, the next one. System apps. This let me check. I think I should use this for the system apps. Let me choose this scene. So like this. Then the last one, which says the web design. Which one can I choose? Let me check this. Okay. Let me choose that for the web design. And I think I want to make some adjustments. This is for the first one. This is for the second. This is for the third. This is for the fourth. This is for the fifth. This fifth, I think I should change it. It's about audio and video making or editing. So that picture, that scene doesn't suit my taste. I think I should change it. Let me see this. Let me check this. Just test only. Okay. Maybe I should use this. Oh, let me check this. Let me check this. Okay, then for this is the next one. For the book reviewing, does this really suits book reviewing? Book. Does book quality with camera? I think I should change this. Let me pick this one for the book reviewing. Then the next one, which is the web apps. And the last one, which is web design. Okay. I think it's okay like that. So just click here to move further. And you wait for it to load. You say choose the overall look and fill your animation. Is it 3D look or just flat? So let's pick the 3D look. And this color icon, in order to choose the suitable color for your work, is it this you want to choose, or this, the second, or this, or this? Let's check this. I think I should choose this for just a rough work. Then click on the next one. So but you can preview, want to preview all the scenes, you can generate and preview all of it, but because of time I won't be able to do that. Then you can add your voiceover, I mean the text that you added to your animation. You can just add a text over to it. You can just press on this one if you want to add a text over, but I'm not adding a text over. I want to add my music, just want to add the music there. Then if you want to choose from all these varieties of music, of sounds, you can pick from it, but I want to choose from my uploaded music and I want to upload. Then I will click on upload and it will take me to my gallery in order to search for what I want to upload. And I'm going to my media converter and this. So it's already uploading. I just wait for it to upload before the next and the final stage. And it has already uploaded. So this is what I want to use. Just click on this and you use it. So I've already added that to my 3D animation. Then the next one will be just click on this play icon in order to generate your video. Just click on it and from there, so wait for your video to be ready. So you just have to wait for some seconds. So it's already exporting. So I just wait for it to finish exporting and our video is already ready. So rendering finished, then apply audio. So within a couple of seconds our video will be ready. So this is it. So let's just download. Let's download it here. You have to download it on your phone. So yes, so I want to, it brought this because I've already made one before, that's why. Just press on download. So it's already done. So you can click on open. That's just a video and that's the end. So just 54 seconds. I hope you have already learned one or two things from this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe as I said earlier, and thanks for watching. Stay blessed. I remain Axod.